Hello, good day everyone. We are now in topic 9.1 of our basic calculus subject, which talks about implicit differentiation. The competencies. At the end of this session, you are expected to illustrate implicit differentiation and solve problems including logarithmic and inverse trigonometric functions using implicit differentiation. Okay, example number 1. Find the slope of the tangent line to the circle x squared plus y squared equals 5 at the point -2, 1. So if we are going to graph the situation, the circle is this one with the center at the origin, and then the radius is the square root of 5, so 2 point something. We have 1, 2 point something. Okay, and then the point of tangency is -2, 1. Okay, so when we find the slope, that is actually finding the derivative of the given equation. So if we have here x squared plus y squared equals 5, so finding the derivative of this, ato ang buhaton is get the derivative for each, and then when you are going to get the derivative of y, you are going to put dy over dx. Okay, so if we are going to compare this situation with the other example we have last time, so ang kuan ga jud, ang katong simple ra nga derivative is y equals something. But when the equation has already x and y terms, ang ato na buhaton is mo na ning implicit differentiation. Okay, so finding the derivative of x squared, diba? It's 2x. Then plus derivative of y squared is 2y. So since we are differentiating y, we are going to put dy over dx equals derivative of 5 is 0. After ana, we are now going to solve for dy over dx. So we have 2y times dy over dx, which is equal to -2x. So dividing both sides by 2y, dy over dx is equal to -2x over 2y, which means dy over dx is equivalent to the negative of x over y. And since we have this one at point -2, 1, so what shall we do is replace the y and x, or x and y, with the value, which is the negative of -2 over 1, which is simply equal to 2. So therefore, the slope of the tangent line is 2. Okay? Okay, next number is example number 2. So what are we going to do is to find the dy over dx. Okay, so to find, we have y cubed plus 4y squared plus 3x squared y plus 10 equals 0. So getting the derivative, we have derivative ani is 3y squared, then put dy over dx, plus we have kanhi is 8y dy over dx plus derivative sa y is 1 times 3x squared. So, 3x squared dy over dx. Kaya nangita man ka sa derivative sa y, times ane. Then, plus derivative sa 3x squared, that would be 6x. 6xy. Then, di na ito butangan kaya ang x man maya itong equal derivative equals or plus the derivative of 10 is 0 equals also sa 0. Okay, and then transposing this 6xy to the right side and then factoring all the dy over dx. So we have 3y squared plus 8y plus 3x squared equals negative 6xy. Therefore, dy over dx is equivalent to negative 6xy all over 3y squared plus 8y plus 3x squared. Okay, so note that the derivative of the term 3x squared y is obtained by applying the product rule. So, mo ni si Jia nga, kanimo ni product rule, duha silbi mong value. So, mo to nga first, pagkuha ni mo sa derivative sa y is 1 man times 3x squared. Mo nang nag-dy over dx, ta kay nangita ta. The derivative sa y. And kanipod, derivative man na sa x times y. So, derivative sa 3x squared is 6x times y. So, mana na ang imong answer. Okay. So, next is number 3. Find dy over dx if the given is x plus y cubed minus or equal to e to the x y to the fourth. Okay. So, finding the derivative of x is 1. So, di tamo butang og dy over dx kay x man plus derivative sa 3y or well, y cubed is 3y squared. So, we are going to put dy over dx. And this is equal to e to the xy to the fourth, then derivative sa kaning exponent is times sa derivative sa x is 1 y to the fourth plus derivative sa y to the fourth is 4y cubed x. Okay? Tampa. Naa si J dy over dx. Diba? Atong bayloon. So, it should be 4xy cubed. Unja dy over dx. Okay. So, after ana, we need to transpose or simplify pa the right side, so it should be 1 plus 3y squared dy over dx equals e xy to the fourth y to the fourth plus 4x y cubed dy over dx. E to the xy to the fourth. Okay? Then, i-combine na nato dito sa pikas. So, 3y squared dy over dx minus 4xy cubed dy over dx e to the xy to the fourth is equal to e to the xy to the fourth times y to the fourth minus 1. Okay, then extracting or factoring dy over dx, so it should be 3y squared minus e to the xy to the fourth 4xy cubed equals e xy to the fourth times y to the fourth minus 1, in which dy over dx is equal to e xy to the fourth y to the fourth minus 1 all over 3y squared minus e xy to the fourth 4xy cubed. Okay, sama ko na. So we have the derivatives of natural logarithmic and inverse tangent functions. Suppose u is a function of x, then derivative of ln of u with respect to x is 1 over u d over dx, and the derivative of tangent inverse of tangent u with respect to x is equal to 1 all over 1 plus u squared du times du over dx. So example number 4, we have y is equal to y equals kaya naman Okay, example number 4 is we have to find dy over dx of y equals ln of the quantity 7x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, using this one to find dy over dx, it should be equal to 1 over 7x squared minus 3x plus 1 times the derivative of the inner, which is 14x minus 3. So simplifying, it should be 14x minus 3 all over 7x squared minus 3x plus 1. So this will be the answer for dy over dx. Okay, number 2 is we are going to find y or dy over dx when y is equal to the inverse of tangent to x minus 3 cosine of x. So since it's tangent, arctangent, so we are going to use this one, that dy over dx is equal to 1 over 1 plus 2x minus 3 cosine of x quantity squared times the derivative of the inner. We have 2 minus 3 and negative sine x. And we can simplify, so the numerator would be 2 plus 3 sine x over the denominator of quantity 1 plus 2x no, it's na ara dire. Wala nilapot na. Ay. Okay. So, 1 plus ana and kani minus 3 cosine x squared. Okay. And lastly, we have to find y is equal to ln of quantity 4x plus tangent arctangent ln of x. Okay, so by ln man, we are going to use the first one. So dy over dx is equal to 1 over 4x plus arctangent ln of x times derivative sa 4x is 4 plus 1 over 1 plus ln of x squared times the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. Okay, so therefore mauna na final answer. Okay, so katong mga lisod ng mga examples diha dili na ako i-appeal, just read it na lamang kay makahatag kalibog more. So wala na ilabot at mo focus rata sa mga sadyon nga examples. So I think din hirata kutob, and that's all for this topic, which is all about implicit differentiation. Thank you and God bless everyone.